Hello, and welcome to the course Introduction to Blockchain and Ethereum. My name is David W. Parker. I've been programming professionally for 16 years. I have a passion for education and graphics development, and I'll be your instructor today. Introduction to Blockchain and Ethereum is an introductory level course to teach you the basic understanding of blockchain technology, how it's used, as well as coding in the Solidity language on the Ethereum blockchain. So what is blockchain? A blockchain is a list of records tied together through cryptography. Blockchain applications provide a single shared ledger to eliminate trust when there are multiple stakeholders. The oldest blockchain technology is in the cryptocurrency Bitcoin, which was created in 2009 in response to the financial collapse in 2008. What is Ethereum? It's another cryptocurrency which utilizes blockchain technology. Ethereum is different from Bitcoin, but how? Well, Ethereum uses and enables developers and engineers to code and write solidity, which is stored on and run on the blockchain. This code is known as smart contracts. The problem with most current data stores is that they're centralized, meaning they're controlled by a single organization. If you have need of data that cannot be trusted to a single organization and needs to be distributed among multiple different trustless entities, then a blockchain technology might be for you. Blockchain technology should really only be used if you need decentralized ledger and you cannot trust all the stakeholders. Writing Solidity code and deploying it to the Ethereum blockchain will enable you to write and deploy code that isn't tied to a single organization and doesn't rely on an organization to run the code. As long as the Ethereum blockchain exists, the code can run. A common misunderstanding of blockchain is that every application must become a public blockchain. This just isn't true. The best time and way to utilize a blockchain application should be when there's clear proof you need a distributed system where trustless stakeholders are involved. When you're done with this course, you should know what a blockchain is, how it's used, what the Ethereum network is, and how to code Solidity and deploy it to the Ethereum blockchain.